There you go. This is Jimmy with Southern 4x4 and Auto. I want to go over some gas tips for my customers. If you're one of those customers that like to run it down to E every time you fill up, just realize that sometimes you get stuff in the bottom, junk in the bottom of that gas tank, and what you're doing is you're running it down to a point that that junk gets in your fuel system, and it can cause some serious auto repairs. And another tip, if you're one of those people that like to get the exact dollar amount, you're at $88.71 and I'm gonna get $88, $89 in there. Stop when the pump stops, because a lot of these pumps, the ventilation system has a charcoal canister, and if you keep dumping fluid in there, what happens is the fuel gets in that charcoal canister, dumps all your charcoal everywhere, and it could require major repairs to do that. So if you're filling up and you're at 88.17, stop at 88.17. Stop it, put it away, you're at a full tank and you're not overfilled. Just a tip from me to you. Thank you.